Here are 23 facts about left-handed people that you didn't know about. The last one surprised me. Here comes the million-dollar question: what causes someone to become a left-handed? Well, the medical experts aren't exactly sure, but research points to a complex relation between genes and environment. While no exact set of lefty genes have been discovered, people who dominantly use their left hands do have more left-handed family members. And researchers have found different brain wirings in righties versus lefties. You should also know that left-handed people tend to be more independent because they have spent their whole lives adapting to this right-handed world. And this is why we should learn some new and interesting things about lefties. Here are 23 interesting facts about left-handed people which you've never heard of. 1. Did you know that 5 to 10% of the world population are left-handed? 2. Left-handed people are 3 times more likely to become alcoholics. 3. Left-handed people use their right side of the brain, most of the time. 4. Left-handed people tend to reach puberty 5 months later than normal. 5. Left-handed people are good in many sports: baseball, tennis, swimming, boxing, etc. Did you know that more than 40% of the top tennis players in the world are left-handed? That's very interesting fact. 6. 4 out of the 7 recent United States presidents were left-handed. 7. According to the statistics, left-handed college graduates go on to become 26% richer compared to their right-handed colleagues. 8. In the past, left-handed people and left-handedness has been related and seen as many bad things, such as mark of the devil, a sign of neurosis, nasty habit, rebellion, criminality, and homosexuality. Left-handedness has also been seen as a trait indicating creativity and musical abilities. 9. Did you know that the word left in English actually comes from the Anglo-Saxon word lyft, which means weak or broken? 10. Women who are pregnant in their 40s are 128% more likely to have a left-handed baby compared to pregnant women in their 20s. 11. As we mentioned in the beginning of this video, almost 90% of all humans are right-handed. But cats, rats, and mice seem to be equally split between right and left-handedness. 12. A recent study has found that left-handed people are more talented in spatial awareness, math, and architecture. Right-handed people tend to be more talented verbally. 13. Did you know that 1 is the 4 Apollo astronauts were left-handed? That's interesting fact. 14. According to the latest statistics, almost 30 million people in the United States are left-handed. 15. A recent study has shown that left-handed people are slightly more prone to allergies and asthma than right-handers. 16. According to a research, the medical experts have found that if a left-hander injures his dominant hand, he has an easier time learning to use the other hand than his right-handed counterparts. 17. Did you know that the longest words can be typed using only the left hand with conventional hand placement are sweater dresses and tesserae decades? 18. You should also know that left-handedness runs in the families. Lefties in the British royal family include the Queen Mother, Queen Elizabeth II, Prince Charles, and Prince William. 19. People who are left-handed are more prone to suffer from insomnia. 20. Did you know that the left-handed people have a day to celebrate being left-handed? Well, yes, it's August 13th and it's known as the International Left-Handers Day. 21. Did you know that some of the most wanted murderers on the planet, Osama bin Laden, the Boston Strangles, and Jack the Ripper, were all left-handed people? 22. You should also know that people who are left-handed are able to adjust to seeing underwater better than right-handed people. This gives them a big advantage when they play games like Marco Polo. 23. A study published in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease has found that left-handed people process emotions differently. And in turn they tend to get angry much faster than their right-handed peers. John McEnroe is left-handed and we've seen him very angry plenty of times. We can bet that you didn't know any of these facts. But do you know other interesting facts? Share them with us in the comments section below. We really hope you enjoyed this post and don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.